The tradition returns to Philadelphia. A huge game, Army versus Navy.
Get that cup out. One of the most famous rivalries in all of college football. It's back in the city that's hosted it more than any other. It's been here.
Right.
Kicks off at Lincoln Financial Field tomorrow afternoon. But today, the cadets and the midshipmen, they're going to square off on the Art Museum steps. And that is where NBC 10's Brenna Weick is standing by live this morning. Good morning.
Good morning. It's been a busy week leading up to the game, but today the academies are going to have a little competitive fun with the Patriot games. They kick off at 8:30 this morning with the Rocky Relay right here on the Art Museum steps. It is the first time in a couple of years the game has been in Philly. For the past few years, of course, there was the pandemic, but they were here in 2019. Cadets and midshipmen, plus families and fans from all over, are in the city, expected to fill nearly 70,000 seats at the link. For the game, though, are the fan events, the Rocky Relay, as I mentioned, a pull-up contest, pep rally, and tug of war, just to name a few that are happening today. Earlier this week, the academies did some service, preparing meals for the community. And, of course, we're always grateful for our service members all throughout the year, but this weekend's about picking teams. Lucy, I know you've got the Navy covered. We've been hearing this morning, but my grandfather was in the Army, so for now, I'm live at the Art Museum steps. Brenna Weick, go Army, beat Navy.
All right, fair enough.
Look,
fair enough,
look at the color she's wearing, too. Look at the color she's wearing. Looks just like their uniform that the Army's going to be wearing tomorrow.
All right, Brenna, it's on. It's on.
I like this.
That is fantastic.
I'm ready.
That is wonderful.
May the best team win.